This is the review for LineageOS 21 on Shield 2017. The hardware I have is Sony X90J, LG Lag 7 Dolby Atmos soundbar, and a Philips Hue sync box. That's how the lights are syncing with whatever's working on the screen. I have a custom launcher running on it that is from proprietary and proprietary launcher, and I have GApps installed, so Google Apps running, Play Store and everything is working just fine. I can install, update or whatever from here, and everything is working just fine on this ROM. This is LineageOS 21, latest build from October 7th. I have few bugs or slowdowns here and there, and few suggestions with this ROM, like no Wi-Fi restart option like we did have in its own Shield operating system, and also I cannot choose Wi-Fi 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. It just auto connect to whatever's available. And few bugs are like some places in the operating system we have these toggles, and I can allow or disable or enable these toggles, but these toggles won't do anything. It just says allowed or not allowed. I can give the permissions, I can take away the permissions, but the toggle won't do anything. So in this ROM we have few places where these toggles won't work. This is like the one place, for example. Also, going back a menu takes a bit longer, or I would say there's a lag. That wasn't there when I installed the ROM, but it just came after a few turning on and off and all stuff. Other than that, in display I have Shield 2017, so I don't have option for like it won't run HDR10 plus or Dolby Vision or whatever, because it only support up to HDR10. But I have seen some comments on Reddit that it supports HDR10 plus from some LineageOS maintainer, but that's for 2019 Shield Pro. Mine is 2017, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to support HDR10 plus or not. But for now it's HDR10 only. For sound, it supports everything, and I have also tested for Dolby Atmos and DTS X audio from Streamio, and it does support those formats in the movies and stuff. So pass-through is working just fine, and Google Apps were installed, like Google Play Store and stuff. I don't have much bloatware in it, or any bloatware at all. I would say it's very clean firmware. And these are some of the settings, like about here, 7th of October build date, LineageOS 21 based on Android 14, and there's an updater built in that we can update the firmware from here. I have LineageOS recovery installed on it, so I get the updates whenever the maintainer releases any update. Few of these settings are here, you can have a look. Like I have few suggestions as well, like for power on and off. I don't know why do we have power off and restart. Like restart, I can say like, yeah, we need that, but this is a plus to restart to bootloader or recovery directly from here. But I don't know if we need like power off here. Instead, I would say sleep would be better for people like me. I also have this remote, that's W3 V chip, whatever the name is, and this is like IR, so I cannot turn off the shield from here. I can like press OK and the shield comes on, but to put it in sleep I need this menu, power menu, and a sleep option that we had in Nvidia OS. But for now I'm using Google Bluetooth remote, so I can just power on and off from here, and it's working just fine. And some of the settings are also here. You can have a look. Everything's is working just fine. Storage is not being used much. Like I have plenty of free space, and screensavers and everything is working fine. Inputs, we have HDMI controls like CET and everything here. Everything is working fine. I can turn on I can increase or decrease the volume. I can power off and on. Everything is working just fine. I have a lag in this menu, like going back and going back from a menu. That's a lag. And one of the other bug is like in the launcher itself. When I press home button, it just goes to the main Google launcher for a split second and then comes back to the launcher I have installed, that is Project V. Other than that, I also found one bug when playing a Dolby Atmos video on Streamio, and I left the movie like on pause and then turn off the TV, and when I came back after a few minutes or an hour, I turned on the video, played from the same point, but the Dolby Atmos didn't work until I close the video and start the video again. So that's a bug as well. Other than that, everything else seems fine. I don't see too much lag or anything else. And a few settings that have this toggle bug that can be squashed as well, and few other settings that if the developer can add in, that would be great. Also, community can try this firmware on their shields, and other than that, I would say just running just fine. I have no issues. I can use this ROM for a while, and let's see how it's gonna go. And I hope to see more features and no more bugs with newer and newer builds. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment under there. I would answer as many as I can.